Welcome the our channel. Today we how to restore content calendars using buffer scheduling, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring your content calendars using buffer scheduling, navigate to the buffer homepage and log into your account. Once logged in, locate the content tab on the dashboard. Click on the content tab to view your scheduled posts. Look for the calendar option within the content section. Select the calendar to see an overview of your scheduled content. If you need to restore a specific calendar, check the left side for the Multiple Calendars option. Click on Multiple Calendars to access all your existing content calendars. Identify the calendar you wish to restore. Select the desired calendar to open it. Once the calendar is open, review the scheduled posts and their statuses. To restore a post, click on the individual post you want to edit. In the post details, look for options to adjust the date or reschedule. Make necessary adjustments and save the changes. If a calendar has been mistakenly archived, return to the Multiple Calendars section. Find the archived calendar and click on it to access its settings. Look for an option that says Restore or Unarchive. Confirm the restoration process, usually by clicking a prompt or button. Once restored, return to your main content view to see all your calendars. Revisit the calendar to ensure all your content is accurately displayed. You can now manage your posts and schedule future content as needed. Remember to periodically check back to ensure everything is on track and scheduled correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.